Hey there. So, you're a founder, a business leader, and you've got that amazing game changing idea, right? But getting from that brilliant concept to a real working product, well, that's a journey filled with some huge decisions. Today, we're going to tackle one of the biggest ones you'll ever make: how you're actually going to build the software that brings that vision to life.
Yeah, you've got that spark, that one idea for an app or a tool that you just know could change everything for your business. But hold on, because right there, with all that excitement, comes a decision that's going to define pretty much everything that comes next. And here it is, the big crossroads. Do you build something completely custom, totally from scratch, or do you grab something that's already out there, something off the shelf, and try to make it work? Believe me, this choice isn't small. It's going to hit your budget, your product's future, everything.
All right, so let's break this down. The first big question: custom versus off the shelf. And look, this isn't just about code, it's about your whole business strategy. To really wrap our heads around it, let's use a simple analogy. I want you to think about it like you're buying a suit. Off-the-shelf software? That's like walking into a department store and grabbing a suit right off the rack. It's built for the average person, it's ready to go right now, and hey, it'll get the job done. But custom software? Oh, that's a whole different game. That's like going to a tailor. They take your exact measurements, cut the fabric just for you. It's designed to fit you and only you, perfectly. Sure, it takes more time, costs more upfront, but man, that fit is just flawless.
Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty with this table here. Look at business fit. With custom, the software is built around your business. It bends to your will. With off-the-shelf, it's the other way around. You have to change your processes to fit the software. That's a huge deal. And scalability? A custom app is designed from day one to grow as big as you do. An off-the-shelf one, it might hit a ceiling, and fast. The bottom line is pretty clear, right? You're looking at a bigger investment upfront for custom, but what you're buying is total control and the freedom to grow without limits.
So let's say that tailor-made suit is sounding pretty good to you. You're leaning towards building from scratch. But what does that really mean? What are we actually talking about here? Let's define it.
Custom software development is, well, exactly what it sounds like. We're not talking about just putting your logo on some pre-built platform. No way. This is the whole shebang, from the very first napkin sketch to building it, launching it, and keeping it running. It's about creating a piece of software that is 100% yours, built for one reason: to solve your specific problems in your specific way. And what can you build? Honestly, the sky's the limit. We're talking about huge marketplace platforms like an Airbnb, or subscription-based SaaS products, maybe a sleek mobile app for your customers, or even powerful internal tools to make your own company run smoother. Think about it: solutions for healthcare, for logistics. If you can dream it up, custom software can probably build it.
Okay, so how does an idea actually turn into a real live app? It's not magic, I promise. It's a very clear, structured process. It doesn't just happen overnight. Let's walk through the main steps of that journey. You can really boil it down to 4 main phases. First up is discovery and planning. This is where you figure out exactly what you're building and, more importantly, why. Think of it as the foundation. Next, design and architecture. This is literally drawing up the blueprints for your software house. Then comes the fun part: development and testing. This is where the code gets written and you try your best to break it so your users don't have to. Finally, deployment and evolution. You get it out into the world for real people to use, but it doesn't stop there. You're always maintaining it, improving it. It's a living thing, not just a one-and-done project.
So, we've covered the what and the how, but now we get to the most important question of all: is this actually the right move for you? Let's get down to a simple checklist to help you make that final decision. Okay, you should seriously consider building custom software if your idea is truly one of a kind with really complex features. Or maybe you're an established company trying to fix a messy internal problem. Are you playing with emerging tech like AI or blockchain? Do you need something that fits your workflow like a glove? No compromises? And here's a big one: do you need this thing to scale to the moon? If you're nodding your head to any of these, then yeah, custom is probably your best bet. But before you jump in head first, let's talk about a few common mistakes you really want to avoid. Number 1, and this is the biggest: don't build something without making sure real people actually want it. Validate your idea first. Another classic mistake is trying to build every single feature you can think of for the first version. That's called scope creep, and it's a project killer. Start small. Also, don't start coding without crystal clear requirements. And please, Please don't treat testing like an afterthought. It has to happen all the time. Lastly, remember that launching the app is not the finish line. You have to plan for the long haul. Maintenance, updates, all of it.
So, as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with just one question. Your idea is unique, right? It's special. It's meant to stand out. So, shouldn't your software be unique too? Does a generic off-the-rack solution really do justice to your game-changing vision? Or does your idea deserve something that's just as original as you are?